Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill medical reimbursement form. Start by gathering all receipts, prescriptions, and your insurance claim form before you begin. Fill dates, provider names, service descriptions, and exact amounts for each receipt. Attach itemized invoices and include patient ID or policy number. Double-check calculations and totals, and keep copies for your records. Submit the completed form according to insurer instructions, and note any confirmation numbers. Keep a clear checklist to avoid common mistakes when completing reimbursement forms. Write service dates in order, match receipts to entries, and use consistent formats. Avoid vague descriptions. Specify consultations, tests, or medicines for each line item. Confirm provider tax ID and include referral copies if required. Don't forget copay amounts and any pre-authorizations. Make neat, legible entries or type the form when possible to speed processing and reduce queries. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They come with a lifetime warranty and excellent comfort for long clinic days. I wear them for long shifts and travel. They stay in place all day. Check the description for the link and other deals. If you grab a pair, thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Organize documents chronologically and label each receipt to match form entries. Scan or photograph invoices in high resolution and save backups to cloud or local drive. Keep originals if insurer asks and send only copies unless originals are required. Choose tracked mailing or secure online upload for submission to ensure proof of receipt. Note processing timelines and follow up if you haven't received confirmation within the expected period. Record claim numbers and correspondence for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.